Hello students, let's continue the session on decimals. In the previous session, we had discussed certain examples of the questions which are related to decimals. In today's session, we shall solve the exercise questions. Firstly, we have exercise 8.1. The first question is to write the following numbers as how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, and how many tenths are there. Here this first slot will indicate tens. Here this indicates ones, and here this indicates tenths. If you observe it, in the first one, how many hundreds are there? There are no hundreds. In the next one, we have got how many tens are there. Here, when you observe, there are three tens. How many ones are there? Here, there are only one ones. How many tenths are there? There are two tenths. So this number will be 31.2. In the second one, how many hundreds are there? There is 100s, 1 tenths, and how many tenths are there? There are 4 tenths. Sorry, there are no ones. So here this is 0. No ones are present. And how many tenths are present? There are 4 tenths. So this number is 110.4. These are the decimal numbers which are represented here diagrammatically. Question 2. Write the following decimals in the place value table. 19.4, 0.3, 10.6, 205.9. We need to represent on decimal place value table. So here when you look at the decimal places, we have got only tenths. So I will mention here hundreds, tenths, ones, and tenths. In the first one, we have got no hundreds. There's 1 tenths, 9 is at ones place, and 4 is at tenths place. In the second one, there are no hundreds, there are no tens, there are no ones, only the decimal part is there. Tenth is 3. In the third one, there are no hundreds, 1 is at tens place, there are no ones place, and tenths place we have got 6. In the fourth one, there are 2 hundreds, no tenths, 5 ones, and 9 tenths. Question 3. Write each of the following as decimals. First one is 7 tenths. So what does 7 tenths refers to? 7 tenths refers to 7 multiplied to tenths is nothing but 1 by 10, so it is 0.7. B. 2 tenths and 9 tenths. So it is 2 multiplied to 10 plus 9 multiplied to 1 by 10. It is nothing but 20 added to 0.9, which is 20.9. Third one, 14.6. 14.6 is very easy. Just 14 in the whole number part and the decimal part is 6. Fourth one, 100 and 2 ones. So this is nothing but 100 added to 2 ones. So it is 2 multiplied to 1. We get 102. There is no decimal place over here. Fifth one, 600.8. This is pretty easy. 600 is our integral part and the decimal part is having only 8. Question number 4. Write each of the following as decimals. First one is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is same as 0.5. Second one, 3 is added to 7 upon 10. It is nothing but 3 added to 0.7, which is 3.7. Third one is 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 by 10, which is 265 plus 0.1, so it is 265.1. Fourth one is 70 added to 8 by 10, which is 70.8. Fifth one, 88 upon 10 will be 8.8. Because it can be expressed as 80 plus 8 divided by 10, which is 80 by 10 plus 8 by 10. So the integral part we get it as 8 and the decimal part also will be 8. Next one is 4 integer 2 by 10, which is nothing but 42 upon 10, which will be 4.2. 3 by 2 we can multiply and divide by 5 so that this becomes, denominator becomes the power of 10. So it is 15 upon 10, which is 1.5. Next one, 2 by 5. I can express 2 by 5 as multiply and divide by 2. We get 4 upon 10, which is 0.4. Next one, 12 upon 5. I can multiply and divide by 2 so that denominator becomes 10. So 24 upon 10 is 2.4. Next one is 3 by 5, which is nothing but 15 plus 3 divided by 5, 18 by 5. If I multiply and divide by 2, I'll be getting 36 upon 10, which is 3.6. Next one is 4.5, which is 9 upon 2. Multiply and divide by 5, we'll be getting 45 by 10, which is 4.5. Question number 5. Write the following decimals as fraction. Reduce a fraction to the lowest form. In the first one, we have got 0.6. In the fraction form, it is 6 upon 10, which will be 3 by 5, because both are divisible by 2. Second one is 2.5, which is 25 upon 10. Both are divisible by 5. 5 times, 5 2 times. And the third one, it is 1.0, which is 10 by 10, which is equal to 1. In the next one, we have got 3.8, which is 38 upon 10. On simplification, we get it as 19 upon 5, because both numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. In the fifth one, we have got 13.7. This will be 137 upon 10. Here 137 and 10, they are not divisible by the same number, so that itself is the lowest form. F, we have 21.2, which is 212 upon 10. Both are divisible by 2. 106 upon 5. And the last one, 6.4, is 64 upon 10, which will be 32 upon 5. Question number 6. Express each of the following as centimeters using decimals. In the first one, we have got 2 millimeter. We all know that in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So 1 millimeter will be equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore 2 millimeter will become 2 by 10 centimeter. 2 by 10 is same as 0.2 centimeter. In the second one, 30 millimeter. So 30 millimeter will be equal to 30 divided by 10 centimeter. This will become 3 centimeter. C, 116 millimeter. So 116 into 1 by 10, we get 11.6 centimeter. 4 centimeter plus 2 millimeter. So it is 4 centimeter plus 2 by 10 centimeter, which will be 4.2 centimeter. E, 162 millimeter will be equal to 162 into 1 by 10 centimeter, which is 16.2 centimeter. Last one, 83 millimeter will be 83 into 1 by 10 centimeter, 8.3 centimeter. This is how we convert. What we have done is, each time we have taken 1 millimeter to be 1 by 10 centimeter, and we have multiplied to each one of millimeters. These millimeters I have just converted into 1 by 10 centimeter, and I have simplified it. Let's have a look at the next question. Question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Which of these whole numbers is nearer to the number 0.8? It is between from 0 to 1. And the 0.8 is nearest to the whole number 1. This 5.2 is from 5 to 6, and 5.1 is nearest to 5. It is very close to 5. See, 2.6 is from 2 to 3, and this number 2.6 is closest or nearest to 6. 6.4 is from 6 to 7, and this 6.4 is nearest to the whole number 6. Here this 2.6 is nearest to 3. I made a mistake here. Correction, it is 3. E. 9.1 is from 9 to 10, and this number 9.1 is nearest to 9. The last one, F. 4.9 is from 4 to 5, and this number 4.9 is nearest to 5. Question number 8. Show the following numbers on the number line: 0.2, 1.9, 1.1, 2.5. If I name this first grading to be 0, and if I make 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 3. If each number is having 10 equal parts, the second part would represent 0.2. After 1, before 2, if this point is representing 2, this particular number, the 9th line, will indicate 1.9, and after 1, the first line will indicate 1.1. After 2, fifth line will indicate 2.5. So these gradings are possible because I have made 10 equal parts between the numbers on number line. Which numbers? Whole numbers on number line. Question number 9. Write the decimal number represented by the points A, B, C, D on the given number line. Here observe, between 0 and 1 there are 10 equal parts, and A is at 8th part. So A is representing 0 plus 8 upon 10, which is 0.8. B is representing after 1, so 1 plus, it is at the 3rd place, so 3 by 10, because 10 equal parts are there, so we get 1.3. C is after 2, second line, so 2 by 10, which indicates 2.2. And D is after 2, before 3, which is at 9th part, so it is 2.9. Next, last question. Question number 10. The length of Ramesh's notebook is 9 centimeter, 5 millimeter. What will be the length in centimeter? So I need to express in terms of centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 5 millimeter will be same as 9 plus 5 by 10. To convert millimeter to centimeter, we need to divide. So I get 9.5 centimeter. In the second one, the length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. Express the length in terms of centimeter. This 65 millimeter I should write as 65 multiplied to 1 by 10. So I get 6.5 centimeter. So we have completed the first exercise. That's all for today's session. Let us discuss the next exercise in tomorrow's session. Thank you.